You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go!
I be like, he could come in.
Alright, yo, man, 15 Minutes of Fame. I got two greats on the camera right now. There's another one standing right over there, too. So I just pan over there. They all over the place tonight, man. Miss Hustle,
Yo.
Chess. What's the date?
January 11th.
January 11th.
Yeah.
Royalty.
Yeah.
Y'all looking at it.
Ah, you know. Word.
That's a fact. This is, what was your last battle?
For me,
Yeah, other than Twerk.
the 2-on-2 with Bankhead and QP.
And I didn't even see that.
It ain't dropped yet.
Because I wasn't there.
Right. No, fuck out of here. You hear Sean, right? NWX. Okay?
Now-
Don't do that because they lost. All right.
And last URL was official.
Official, yeah.
Okay, and that was a while ago.
Yeah.
So you know what? It's funny that you don't battle so much,
Right.
but you would think you do
Right.
because it's just so comfortable. It's just so regular to you. It's like it's not.
These
you know.
bitches ain't nicer than me. That's why.
What took so long for you and 40 though?
Because I ain't feel like she deserved that. And now I just feel like, you feel me? I want to help her. I want to be generous, you feel me? Because her career is dead.
Is
So,
it?
yeah, it's dead. Like, are you crazy? You see these comments? 40 don't choke. Any other battle, they be like, yeah, 40 go They like, 40 please don't choke. Please. Like,
Are they
yeah.
basing that off the 2-on-2 that she just
We're
had?
talking about a
or-
2-on-2. Let's go down her whole fucking resume. She been choking and stumbling and losing ever since Jazz. Ever since Jazz, she been losing.
How about her versus Couture? Did you even like the battle?
I mean, it was cool. I like that she gave Couture a dose of her own medicine. But does that really matter though?
Now this is again. I think people said like she was on that URL stage and that was different for her. Now it's about to be again, but with you, one of
That's
the,
bad.
you know, you the URL's first lady. So
Right. That's bad. It's gonna be worse. It's gonna be worse.
Right.
I'm not even gonna talk shit because number one, let's keep it tall. I'm not sleeping on 40 because 40 wanna get her name up, her name back. She want her spot back. So she gonna go crazy, but it's just not gonna be enough. Like, cause if I know that she gonna do that, what you think I'm gonna do? For me, like Scorpio shit.
is this of any importance to you though? Like,
I mean, yeah, definitely, because these disrespectful ass fans for years, I sat back and I like heard them say she's the queen. How you give a bitch a crown? Like, how do you give somebody that? You don't just give somebody that. You gotta see the queen and beat the queen and be the queen, and I'm the fucking queen, period. Like, everybody know that, you feel me? So, like, yeah, it's very important. I'm gonna show you the difference. Like, I'm gonna show you the difference.
now can you? Don't be mad at me. Can you
hear it.
claim the queen
Yes, I
of
can.
the ring when like you can't, not no disrespect, but you went and you became like the queen on URL.
I'm the queen of
So,
both of them
okay,
shits.
okay,
Period.
okay.
Like, who beat me on the Queen of the Ring? A nigga came. I could say Ray. Feel me? And he's not even a bitch. But Twerk came. He didn't even beat me. Who beat me?
Who won
Yeah,
between
like-
you and Hart?
Me.
Okay.
And I could say that shit is debatable because people say her. You feel what I'm saying? She did her thing. Feel me? It was my first battle. But yeah, she did her thing, but I won. Period.
They still label her the queen of the ring.
She can't be. How?
Rematch?
I asked her for that. She said she wouldn't do it because my pen got crazier. And you can ask her that yourself.
She here somewhere too. I wish she was
I
nearby.
wish so too.
Yeah.
But
Can't get in between that. That's called a nut.
but at the end of the day, if I had to share the spot with somebody, I wouldn't mind with her. You feel
Okay.
me?
Okay.
But these other little bitches, nah, not 40, not nobody. Nobody. They call these bitches the queen because they like them and they look cute and how they dress and all that shit. Man, listen.
You cute and how you dress
but
too.
fuck all that. I really put in work though.
That's a fact.
Feel me? I don't be showing up at every battle my fucking ass out, titties out to be liked. Fuck that. I don't even fuck with battles sometimes. You feel me? So that's what these bitches do. I don't do that.
I'm almost sure after what happened in North Carolina at Summer Impact, 40 is gonna be super prepared, knowing she's standing in front of you.
Didn't I just say that?
Yeah.
So if I know that, what you think I'ma do? You think I'm gonna come there playing? I'm not playing with her. No, I'm not.
January 11th, 40 bars versus Miss Hustle.
Yeah.
Also on that
Nah,
card.
we don't put 40 bars first. We put Miss Hustle first.
See, I always ask people that, and they usually just say it don't matter.
I'm the fucking headliner.
Huh, okay. Okay.
15 minutes of fame.
You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go.